Hello, thank you for stopping by my channel. This is Koina, and in today's video, I am going to share my exam time study routine. Now, because it's exam time, I have to follow a different routine because I have to invest a lot more time in studies. So, I follow this routine, which I am going to share with you today. Now, this routine works for me, so I adjust these timings according to my schedule. So it might work for you or might not work for you. This is my version of study routine. So I divide my day into three parts, and before starting any study session, I go through my social medias and then I turn my phone into flight mode. Then I make a realistic to-do list. Now being realistic in to-do list is important because during exam we want to make the most out of the time and write a ton of works which dumps our mind and we end up doing everything with a zero result. So I like to start my study sessions with some healthy study snacks and a bottle of water. So the first thing that helps me to catch with a chapter is watching lectures. Now I get a lot of tutorial videos on YouTube. So I watch those lectures and I note down whatever I feel is important. Now from that note, I make another summary by just writing the important points, which helps me to get a schematic overview of the entire chapter. Also, this overview helps me for the last minute revision before exam. Because I'm a visual learner, I use some colors onto my notes. The next way I follow to remember the case laws are by making flashcards. I cut up an A4 size paper and write the name of the case law on one side and the case on the other side. It helps me to revise as well as quiz myself. So revision is nothing without reading, so I revise by reading the chapters so that I don't miss a line. Now in the next part, I'm going to share how I schedule the days before my exam. Now I use my diary's calendar to note the date of my exam so that I can see the days left before exam. Then to organize the syllabus with what I am done with, I write the subjects and divide the chapters into three categories. That is important chapters, easy chapters, and optional chapters. Also, I don't really color code this thing, but just for this video, I did color code them. Also, in some subjects where I have to answer through diagrams and graphs, I differentiate them by bifurcating the categories. Like for economics, I have to answer in short notes, graphs, and sums. So I differentiate them like this. Now the next that I'm going to show is something that I did for my exams. Now these are the subjects that I have, and these are the chapters of the subjects. I go through my previous year question paper and list down the similar questions as suggestions, and I categorize them subject wise. I write down the questions and mark the years they have been repeated, so more the number of repetitions, probably the more important the question is. So in this case, the greener it is, the more important it is. Then I distribute the chapters date-wise for revision. Also, don't forget to take breaks and include your favorite foods. Don't pressurize yourself much before exam. So that's it for today. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next in my video. Till then, bye.